My name is Helge Brandt and I'm pleased to welcome you to the new Volkswagen City Store in Buxtehude near Hamburg. As an architect employed at Volkswagen, I was responsible for designing and furnishing this special place. The City Store brings Volkswagen as close as possible to potential clients in the heart of the city by creating a welcoming, cozy environment. Customers' demands and expectations are changing, not only for the products. Proximity, individuality and flexibility will increasingly influence success in retail. And as Volkswagen, we always belong where the people are. With a different design than the regular showrooms outside the city centers and a different, more intimate atmosphere. Currently, there are only 5 city stores in Europe, including Paris and Madrid, and now this beautiful new one in Buxtehude near Hamburg. As an architect, designing this city store was an absolute pleasure. The furniture consists of pre-configured elements in a design specially developed for the city store. But there's still plenty room to give a unique touch to each project. In Buxtehude, I wanted to use typical regional materials as a reference to the architecture of northern Germany. To do this, I cladded the walls with the characteristic red bricks. Together with the colored used wood floor areas and the lighting panels, this created a warm atmosphere, while the steel grid ceiling added a modern and cool touch. The reinforced concrete construction with a rusted face, which is only painted in black-grey, shows the history of origin. It's a welcoming place with a lounge-like feeling. To begin, I produced a plan showing the position of every functional area in the city store, including the furniture, the cars and the bar. The site was an older building with non-standard measurements, meaning the furniture chosen often needed to be modified. But these are the challenges that arise when new concepts are implemented in old buildings. In the end, the efforts paid off. The interior design and the furnishing together create a unique atmosphere. Now the project is finished and you can see the result yourself.